out there, my name is Milesy and welcome to my channel. Today I have another eBay box and that's probably very loud against the microphone. I apologize. And if you're new to this channel or you don't know what the eBay boxes are and this one's in a bag, ignore that. It's not a subscription service as such, but about once a month I like to go on eBay and just see what I can find for around $30. And this one was $25, including the shipping. I wrote it down so I didn't forget about it. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside, shall we? Okay. I have to be very careful so I don't accidentally cut something I don't want to cut. And, ooh, I can see a bunch of stuff in here already. I never quite know what's going to be in these things when I buy them, just because the pictures are so hard to actually see. And this is a big one. Wow. Cool. Yes, let's take a look and see what we have. And the first thing I have is a big bag. But what do we have in here? Oh, we have some floss away bags that actually have some floss in them, all on their bobbins and numbered. And going by the numbers, this looks to be DMC. Yeah, this looks like it's DMC going by the numbers. So that's pretty cool right there. I'm not sure if it's something I would use. It might go into the pile for things to be given away, but that's pretty cool. I'd never actually seen one of these little binders before, so neat. There's a bunch of floss in there. The whole thing, floss and all, might just go into the pile for things to be given away, because I'm not sure I would have any use for that. What is this? We have some plastic bobbins that lack holes at the top. Interesting. I've never seen them without the holes, but there we go. We have a pack of probably 25. It doesn't say. Yeah, 25. It does say. I just saw that. And they're like kind of green. They're weird. But they feel really sturdy inside the pack. I don't want to take the pack apart right now, but there we go. Got a bunch of bobbins. I always like bobbins. I have floss numbers. Ooh. These are some older ones, but they still work. If you've never seen these, they have all of the numbers for the flosses. I think it has 640 numbers on there for a bunch of the other colors, and it has some duplicates of the more popular colors. But those are some little stickers there. They're pretty nice. I've used these a few times. What is that? That's my packing slip. I have some, ooh, some more Krynic. I've been meaning to get some more of this, so that's pretty cool. And this is a blending filament. I don't know, I don't really use Krynic all that much, but it actually has some instructions on it. The stuff that I have didn't come in a pack, so I have that color. I have this color, kind of more of a gold. There's a bunch in here too, oh my goodness. There's this blue stuff, that's pretty. A little bit falling apart there. And then I have this pink stuff, and some of this looks like it's been used, but that's fine. I mean, you know, you're gonna get what you get on eBay. So that's kind of cool. I've been wanting to get some more of that stuff. Let's see, what else do I have? I've got some needles, number 7 crewels. It was a pack of 16, some have been used once upon a time. 16 needles was 95 cents. So I wonder if we can date how old some of this material is. Made in West Germany. It's that old. That answers that question. This is from at least the mid-80s, mid-late 80s, because that was made in West Germany. Okay, never going to see that probably ever again. And then I have some counted cross-stitch needles. These are made in Illinois. And this one appears to be unopened. It says 4 needles. There are 4 needles in there, so there we go. Always need some needles. And they're number 24, so that's one of the sizes I actually do regularly use. And then this one, ooh, my goodness. has a whole bunch of those plastic bobbins. These ones do have holes in them. The other ones didn't. But a whole bunch of these really funky plastic bobbins. Just kind of hanging out loose in here. I'm gonna try to pluck them all out. These ones are funny. They don't feel like the plastic bobbins that I get. They're definitely plastic, but they're like also not. I think they're plastic coated paper. I think that's what they are. They're really funky. They have no weight to them, and there's like a million of them in here. Oh, I thought I had them all, and then I just uncovered some more. I'm just trying to get them all out. Okay. I think that's all of them. So yeah, big, huge handful of bobbins, plus those other ones that I had, wherever they went, somewhere. Put those aside. And then there's a whole bunch of floss, so let's just go through it and see what we have. And there's some on bobbins, there's some on skeins, and I'm not sure even what brands these are, so let's just take a look. We have some very old DMC, 3371, 645, 975. Yeah, most of this looks like it is DMC. Let me see if I can just find anything that isn't. Good variety of colors. Oh, here we go. What is this? That's very old DMC. Okay. That was Once Upon a Time. 3 for 99 cents at Crafts, etc. That's what that one on there was. Ooh, here's one that's not DMC, I don't think. This is Galaxy, and it was 21 cents. Interesting. Never heard of Galaxy before. Super interesting. Okay. Pluck this stuff out. DMC. Yeah, most of this is DMC, except for it looks like that one. Oh, there's something weird I just found. And then, yeah, a lot of DMC. Some of it seems used, most of it seems like it's never been touched. What is this? Oh! Okay, I found a mechanical pencil graphite holder that's full of needles. That's what I have found. Let's see, they're tiny little things. Super tiny little things. But they are nice and blunt, so that's something I might actually use. There we go, a lot of needles in this one, cool. And then there is a whole bunch of floss on bobbins that, judging from the numbers, they look like DMC. Yeah. I'm going to guess that all of these are DMC. I will go through them and figure out what to do with them, I guess. But there we go. Just a nice little one. A lot of floss in this one. A lot of kind of specialty floss too, which is nice. There we go. That was $25 for a decent amount of floss. And then a whole bunch of bobbins and 4 spools of Krynic. So that's always nice. That stuff's pretty expensive. Yeah, I'm not really sure what I'll do with this stuff, but I've been kind of wanting some to play around and not use the one spool that I have. But yeah, pretty cool. That was this box. A lot of floss. I was kind of hoping for some more stuff in there, but like I said, with the listing images, that's part of the fun of these, is that I don't even really know what's going to be in them beyond cross-stitch stuff. So I'm going to go ahead, take a look, go through all of these. There's not really anything in this batch that I want to do a review of, but yeah, that was fun. If you want to get something like this on your own, what I would suggest doing is just hop onto eBay and search for cross-stitch supplies or embroidery supplies, and make sure that you select something that's a group listing or something that's called a lot, which is not a lot, it's 2 different words. But yeah, I would go ahead and do that. You can get a lot of good stuff. It's a great way to build up your floss stash. As you can see here, this is how I built mine up when I first started out. But that's where I'm going to end this for now. There wasn't a whole bunch more to go through. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!